Not a bad sunrise. Last time I was working on it, it was pissing out fuel from the fuel filler hose. I patched it up, but I have a replacement for it. Really? You're just gonna be stuck in there now forever? Fixed. This is the tiniest wheel in the universe. It's the tiniest little 12. Brakes are crusty, but that's just because this thing hasn't been driven in a while. This is the filler. I'll need to remove this panel, and then I should have complete free access to it. First, I'll chuck a jack stand under here so that I don't die. So these are just plastic clips with plastic screws that strip like nobody's business, so I'm just going to cut them, and then when it comes time to reinstall, I've got some replacement pins that I'll just pop in instead. Alright, so this is the offending filler pipe, and we'll go ahead and pull it off and get it replaced. Hopefully I'm not going to take a gas bath. Here's the Flex Seal tape that I used. It's only partially successful. My only hope was that it would just keep it from pissing gas all over the driveway, which it did, but it's not a good repair. This pipe has been part of this car for 30 some years, so it's not going to come off easily. I'm going to have to try to cut it off and not hurt myself too bad in the process. Just make nice, slow cuts. The chisel in there. All right, there we go. It's got it. All right. So that side's off. Look at that. That's the problem. Just because of age and whatnot, this pipe split, and it was just going to piss out all the gas everywhere all the time. Not cool. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy off. There we go. Pipe's off. This is our original, where it split, versus our replacement. The angle shouldn't be a problem. We should be able to get that to work out. The issue is going to be the length, so this pipe will need to be cut down. This pipe is substantially thicker in terms of wall. I may need to use different clamps. To save myself a lot of editing, I did this all off camera. Trimmed up the pipe, got it installed. It squeezes down a little bit here, but it'll still flow. So not the ideal pipe, but it will work for what I needed to do, and for 36 bucks, pretty good. Not going to complain. This should not leak anymore, which, yay. I will verify that pretty soon. So I will go ahead. These are the clips that I cut off, so I'll just knock these out, get them replaced. These are the crusty screws. I'll clean them up. This kit from Harbor Freight has been a lifesaver. Just a automotive pin set. They're not OEM, of course, but in a pinch they work. And these are the screws. I just ran them through a thread brush. Oh yeah, threads in so nice. All right, let's tempt some fate by doing this in the garage. Not a drop. All right, calling this fixed.